Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to install a Canva app on your PC or laptop. If you want to use Canva outside of your browser, we will guide you through this quick and easy installation process. On your Canva dashboard, to install the app, we first need to download the installer. We can get the installer by clicking on the profile logo found in the lower left part of the dashboard. Once we see it, just click it. Then select Get the Canva Apps. Here we have two options, one for Mac OS or Chromebook and one for Windows. Since we are using Windows, let's click Download Canva for Windows. Next, choose where you want to save the installer. As you can see, it is now downloading. Let's wait for the download to finish. We can see here that it's almost done at 88%. Once the download is complete, we can click the installer. Double-click it to install Canva on the laptop or PC. After the installation, we can open Canva. That's how we install the Canva app on a PC or laptop. With the app, we can design more easily and access our projects anytime.